our super loaded, ultra powerful Airbnb clone, what we call as MXBNB. We have just went beyond the concept of just bread and breakfast, but we went with all the actual options which Airbnb is already started adding and they're improvising on. So we already have our home, we have the hotels, we have the spaces, we have events, travel, and we have in extras also, which we're going to talk about. And the most important part in the travel, we have tours, car bookings, flight bookings, and boat bookings as well. So if you look at the layout right now, you can see in the front, we have a very similar design language where you can add your locations, check-in, check-outs, guests, the basic search. You look at any property, you can see all the gallery from here only without getting inside. You have the details, you have everything in place. If you can see the number of people it can afford for the actual villas and stuff. The different tours, the travel locations, the gatherings, the ride on waves for the for the boats and for the cars, and the travel news for the proper information and the ranking factor rates. And we have some great amazing features on the platform. We have smart pricing, algorithm functionality, AI powered recommendations. We have virtual tours and 3D walkthroughs, full 360, instant book with smart verification. We have multi-currency and multi-language support. We have advanced search filters, which includes like being pet friendly, accessibility features, work from home, amenities, eco-friendly, and a lot of other things. We have AI chatbot, insurance and damage protection systems, smart messaging with translations, neighboring insights, marketplace experience, property management dashboard, social proof and verification badges, long-term stay discount options, and API import including booking.com and Expedia. Yes, you heard it right. We did it all, included in this same package. These are not add-ons, these are part of the solution itself. So if you go inside, if you look inside any of this, if you look at any property, you can see we have already added the 360-degree view. You can see it already. It's a 360-degree view of the place. All the property images, you can check all the photographs. You can go down, you can actually book the property, put up an inquiry. Going further, you can see all the property details, property type, amenities, facilities, services, rules, insurance and damage protections, security deposit ideology, neighborhood insight, and you can meet your host and message them, cancellation policies, hotel rules, safety and property, location on the map, and you have an option to use OpenStreetMaps as well as Google Maps. You can switch any you want to have rich results as per convenience. You can write a review, but the review will only work if you are logged in. Then you can see the different properties the place is hosting, and I'll just do something. I'm gonna log out with the vendor which I'm logged in, and I'm gonna log in as a user. So I click on login. You have all the information pre-filled here to be tested. You click on user, you get started here now. So if I go to any of the property, you can see I can see the room and the adults and the number of people it can accommodate, everything. I can go for a booking. I can select the check-in, check-out dates. I can check for the availability. If I want one room only, I want standard protection, I want premium protection, I want any or not, I can click on book now. I can fill in the information and create a new account also if I want. If I don't want to create an account and do just as a guest, I can do. I can pay a deposit, I can pay in full. Suppose offline, PayPal, Stripe, and there are multiple other payment gateways as well included. You can use your wallet credit also. Isn't that amazing? So you have your credit wallet balance system here. You have your booking history. You can see the details of your booking. You can see your personal information. You can see your booking notes. You can see your invoice also, which you can print for your own records and stuff. You can see your profile. You can see the verifications, the messages which you have chat with vendors. All in all, quite a powerful thing to actually start your own BNB system. Your villas. If you go to the villas, you can see how many adults it can take and how many things and stuff. You want lawn garden service and clearing services and breakfast and inclusives and all. We have everything put up here. Nothing is being missed. Going beyond, you can look into the tours. Complete detailed tours with proper itinerary plan and everything in place, which looks greatly awesome. So quite loaded, right? Now let's move toward the vendor. What a vendor can do. So we're going to log in as a vendor now. We're not going to create a new account because we already have an account created here. We're going to log in as a vendor. So you as a vendor, of course you can book others' property, but more importantly, this is about your own dashboard. You can see how things are going around, your earnings, your bookings and your services, your booking history, your personal wish list, of course, your personal information and management. You can manage your properties, whatever you are here, like, you can manage your hotels, you can set up their pricing and everything. Then you can add up new ones for approval. You can manage your spaces. If you're offering flight services also, you can do that subject to admin approval, but some people can offer, or mostly it can be big vendors also which can do that. If you are doing boats also, and this all can be enabled and disabled from the admin panel actually. Events, then you have your property dashboard for proper syncing and everything, and your calendar syncs and everything as well. You can see your complete analytics and everything in place. Your coupon, your news and stuff, your verifications, messages of course, and then your payouts. So all in all, everything is in here. And one important thing which I would like you to see is, once you get in here, you see you have your content, your entire content for the same, and your locations, pricing, extra pricing and stuff, and your service fees and maximum advance reservations, time for checkout, minimum day stay requirements. You can set up everything. You can set up your virtual tours. You can set up your attributes here as well. Everything in there, not a problem. And of course it has calendarizing. Don't worry about it altogether. We're going to walk you through that as well. So now we are going to move from this, and we're going to move towards the admin. We're going to click on the admin, continue, and let's get into the admin dashboard. Now here you look, admin has the complete history and all the details, all the bookings and the statuses, all the location controls, all the hotel controls, tour controls, space controls, flights. This is the API management mechanism actually. You can select from booking, rapid, Expedia, and you can select which you want to, hotel, space, car rentals and all. Then let's get to the part where actually you will see the most important things. So you control all the pop-ups which has to come over the site. You control all the menus and the navigations. What do you want to show or not? This is a complete CMS here around. If you want custom themes to be built, we can do it for you. Then getting into the setting, here are all your settings. You control all the aspects, everything of the website from here, every single aspect. You see social proof and verification badges system, instant book with smart verification, neighborhood insights, insurance and damage protections, experience marketplace. Here is the wallet, smart messaging, you can see all the APIs. Then payments, Stripe, Payrex, Paystack to checkout, media offloading, inquiry forms, you name it, we have got everything in here. Nothing we have left out. We built as much as possible, as detailed system as possible. See the automatic smart pricing, weekend markups and peak season markups and peak months, local event markup for matching events and stuff. See the very advanced algorithms. This is all machine learning in action. So, like, the demo is live, you can test it and start building yourself an amazing BNB solution which actually can change the world. Here, after this, we are going to walk you through our mobile app. You can have a look into this and let us know. To our Airbnb Clone mobile app, MXBNB. Here you can see you were presented with a splash screen followed by the welcome screens. Very well built, amazingly designed. Now we get inside. We already have pre-filled the credentials for you to actually for ease of access. Here you can look. You can click on the user and start signing in. And here you're greeted with an amazing dashboard where you can do everything. You can book a room, tours, car rentals, boat rentals, and this all is controllable from the mobile from the admin backend. You can enable, disable any features you want the way you need it. It's a complete full-fledged solution here. You can search for different properties. You can see the wish list, chats, profiles, your AI chatbot. Now getting to the point where if you want to book a room, you can here also see all the property gallery right here only without opening the property itself. You can get inside the property, have all the details. You can message the host and you can check the availability. You can book the place as you prefer. You can view the details of the particular property as you want, the suite and everything. You can have multiple images here as well. And all other details, the 360 view also is here working, the 360 degree view angle, VR videos and all the reviews and everything. Looking into the profile, you can edit the profile, you can look into the personal informations, your booking histories and all other details are available here only without any problems. So this is like pretty much loaded everything inside and you control a lot of things and aspects here only. And language control, currency control, privacy policy, security policy. You can link other social accounts, change your passwords, and pretty much everything is here. Your wallet control and your wallet, you can add money, withdraw money. Pretty much everything is here. Now moving towards the vendor app. The vendor role precisely is a unified app which works for both. So once you log in the vendor, a vendor can still be a user of the platform. That's one, but there is a specific vendor dashboard which controls everything, where you control all your booking aspects and everything like we do in the web. On top of that, you manage every aspect of your hotel management, your booking reports, your property dashboards, your payouts, plans, everything is here. Your wallet, your everything is there. For you to do a complete management, what you have in the web is what you have here in the app as well. So you control everything from the mobile app, every single aspect. We're not dragging the video for one reason. We are trying to confine in simple because it's just the same replica what you get in the web is what you get in the app. We have built it with complete 100% parity of all the features together. Thank you so much for watching and we really hope